Hello, it's maths time. We're going to look at subtraction again today. Can you draw with your finger the symbol that means subtraction, the symbol that means take away? It's not from the ceiling to the floor, from the window to the door, because that's addition. This is subtraction. Draw it with your finger for me now. If you drew this one, you are absolutely right. Here it is. Just one straight line across the middle for subtract. Well done. We're going to have another little look at how we subtract, how we take away, and then we're going to look at today's worksheet because I actually think it's too hard for you, really, because I didn't give you that many number sentences to do. Tricky pressed one of the buttons on the printer and that gave you double the work. I'm really sorry. Let's look at this first. Okay, so my number sentence is, let's count the elephants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elephants. Take away 4, well done. Take away 4 equals, how many will I have left? How many will be left if I do take away 4? Try that by yourselves. You can use your finger to point, and let's see if you get the right answer. One, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? Did you say 2? If you did, brilliant work. Do you remember that I said we would count the house points to see how many we've got? I've tipped them out onto this plate. Can you help me count them, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 cubes in our party pot. And when they get to the top and we can no longer get the lid on, that means party! Sort of. It means we're going to take over the school. That will be lots of fun. Now, as I explained, your work today is very difficult. I'm not sure that you can do it, but it was not my fault, okay? It was not. I set you some of the number sentences, and as I explained, tricky, press that button. And the reason why is because I had a bet with Tricky. I bet that you could finish your work and you could work really hard on it, and he doesn't think you'll be able to do it. Now, if he loses the bet and you can do it, he's agreed that we can have 5 party cubes in the pot. So that's why I gave you the hard work. If you want, maybe you can do some of them, then take a break, go and have a drink, and then come back and finish them off. If your brain is super turned on, you might be able to whiz through the whole lot. But if you're struggling, it's absolutely fine, and perhaps your mummy or your daddies can send me a little message if it's too hard for you, and we can have another look at it next week. So I'll go through the worksheet with you to start with, the first few, and see if you can do them. And today we're going to be counting on our fingers. So, oh, hi Tricky. He's waving to you now, he wants to be friends. Do you want to be friends with them? You do want to be friends. Why did you give them the hard work then? You don't really want to be friends. Because you're mean. You being mean. Why do some people like to be mean? I'm not sure. Are you going to behave yourself? Are you going to cause any trouble today? Are you going to actually help us? Why are you even here? Because he thinks that you can't do your work. And if we can't do the work, you're going to laugh at us. That's really mean. We're going to do the work, and then we're going to put 5 cubes in the party pot. Okay, deal. No, I don't want a drink of water. No, thank you. Okay, bye. Okay, on today's worksheet, you've got the hands at the top, so you know it's counting on your fingers. So let's look how we do that. So if we look at our first number centres, what you'll notice is the symbol in the middle of the numbers there is a blue takeaway sign. So if it says 2 take away 1, it doesn't mean 2 add 1, it means 2 take away 1. Take away 1 from what you've got. But we'll practice that together. So our first one says 6. So the first thing you do is look at the very first number and show that many fingers. So it's saying 6, so let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Has everybody got 6 there? That's the first thing you do. When you're doing this work, it's really important that you put your pencil down, because sometimes you might think your pencil is an extra finger and that will give you the wrong answer. So it's easy if your hands are empty. So 6, and then there it says take away. Can you see the take away symbol? 6 take away 1. 6 take away 1. So let's pretend these are sausages. And my dog at home, Coco, loves sausages. Let's pretend Coco has eaten one. That one. How many sausages are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I had 6 sausages, Coco ate one, and that left me 5 sausages for tea. So you put 5 in there as your answer. The total you're left with is 5. When you're counting what's left, so when we had 6, Coco ate 1, when I counted 5, do you notice that I just bobbed my fingers up and down? Sometimes that can be tricky, so you can use your chins or your noses. Do you remember when we do piano fingers on the table? That might be easier for you. Okay, how do you think these will go? Do you think these will be okay? We need to be tricky. Let's have a look at the next one together. 5, so the first thing you do, is show. You show that number on your hand, so 5. Let's say they're sausages, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like it when it's a 5 because I can just do high 5 and I don't need to count them. So 5, take away, don't add, take away, 3. 5 sausages, Coco is going to take away 3 sausages. Ready, here comes Coco. Hello! 1, 2, 3. How many sausages are left? 1, 2. 2 left, so the answer is 2. Let's do one more together. Oh, it's quite a high number, 7. So the first number, you show it, show 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's my 7 sausages. 7, take away 2. Take away 2. That one and that one. 1, 2. How many have I got left? Some people can look at that and just say 5, because it's high 5. But let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our total left is 5. We had 7 sausages. We took away 2 of them because the dog ate them. And that left us 5 sausages for dinner. Do you think you can have a go at that? I really think you can do it, but I do think it will be a bit tricky. I do think you'll really need to concentrate. And I do think you'll need to check that you don't add them together by accident. Oh, Tricky's coming. Hi, Tricky. Hello, boys and girls, he said. 1 minute he's nice to us and then he's being mean. Oh, that's nice of you. He said he wanted to wish you good luck on the competition because it's very tricky today. And if he's nice... Sorry? If he's nice to us, will we be friendly with him? We always want to be friends with you, Tricky, but sometimes you upset us when you're unkind or if you say unkind words. So that's why. And sometimes you do unkind things and play tricks on us and things like that. So that's why we get a bit upset with you sometimes. But if you're wishing us luck with our work, that's really nice. Yes, please, I'll have some water. Tricky's being really nice. Why is he giving me water and being kind all the time? He's up to something, I think. let's just be nice to him, okay? It makes me a little bit suspicious. Hi, Tricky. Oh, looks like that's a bit heavy. Shall I take that from you? Thank you for the water. He said, I'm welcome. He said, have some more water. I'm not really thirsty. He said, water's very good for your brain. Have some more water and it will help me think. Okay? Yes, it is quite heavy. You want to help me hold it? Okay? He's being really nice. Thank you, Tricky. You naughty, naughty little clown. Straight to your bed. That naughty clown is in bed. I need you to do two things for me. Number one, write down Tricky and put it on your amber light. Number two, let's get all of that work done today and get our cubes in our party pot. He is in big trouble.